Hey guys, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we'll do a detailed review of the camera on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G variant. So this 4G variant has a different processor, different GPU unit, and it runs Android 4.4 as well. So it's an overall different unit when compared to the Redmi 3G variant. So the 3G variant has the MediaTek octa-core processor, and this one has the Snapdragon quad-core processor, and again the GPU unit also changes. So there are a couple of changes in this device. So this again has the Android 4.4 KitKat, while the 3G variant has Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. That's a pretty outdated version of Android. So let's get started with the camera review. So let's first see the interface of this device. So you can see here, this is the interface of the 4G variant, and there is nothing changed here. Everything looks the same. So we have the option to switch to front facing camera here, option to change from photo mode to video mode, then enable or disable flash. On the right side you have this option. So we have this symbol as well as advanced mode. So you can get to the settings from here. So you can see here, this is a symbol as well as advanced mode, and lot of options including picture size, picture quality. Then you can use the volume button function as shutter key. Then there is ability to scan QR codes. You can save images to external SD card. So in case you are using an SD card, you can save images there. Then a lot of options including face detection, sharpness, saturation, contrast. So the interface and the options looks exactly similar. So let's go back to the interface again. So here we have these options. So you can see here, these are the options: white balance, exposure, ISO. Then you have the focus mode. Then you have the filters included, handheld twilight mode. Then you have the HDR, a pretty useful HDR mode. Then you have panorama mode. So you can see here, these are the options available. So apart from that, you also have the option to view the gallery. So you can go from here and view the photos taken. So that is the camera interface. So nothing's changed with the camera interface. So it's a beautiful interface. It's a very feature rich interface from Xiaomi. So this has the MIUI version 5, even though it runs Android KitKat. So that's the same version that's powering the 3G variant as well. So again, the camera interface is exactly same, nothing's changed. It can record videos in 1080p. So let's just go to the video recording option. So here we have the option to record videos in 1080p or 720p. Again, a few options like white balance, filters. You can record in fast motion or even the normal motion. So those are the options. So let's go back to the camera interface once again. So this is very simple interface, but it's a feature rich interface and has pretty good amount of options, and it's pretty easy to use as well. Now let's go to the camera samples. First let's take the daylight shots. So here are the daylight shots. So as you can see from the photos, they come pretty good. There is pretty good amount of sharpness, and the color reproduction is again pretty good. So remember, this has a 13 megapixel rear camera with flash. So this is able to capture pretty good amount of detailing. So you can see here, if I zoom in, there is pretty good amount of detailing. There isn't much loss in clarity, and the overall picture quality looks really good. So we can say that the overall photo quality for photos taken outside is slightly better than what we saw on the 3G variant with the MediaTek processor. So here some of the macro shots. So this looks really good. The colors have come really well. This is one of the best cameras below the rupees 10k price range in India. So the 4G variant also has really great photo quality when compared to the 3G variant. So again, I can see some of the other samples. So these are some of the macro shots taken, and they have come really well. So overall, in the daylight photos and even the macro mode, the photos have come really great, and it's one of the best camera phones available below price range of 10k. And this 13 megapixel camera works really well, and the color quality along with the sharpness and the image detailing looks really good. Now let's move into some of the low light shots. So let's have a look at some of the low light samples. So here are they. So as you can see from the low light samples, they come pretty decent. There is pretty decent amount of detailing. So these are taken in low light and does have pretty good colors as well, although the clarity gets a bit lost when you zoom in. There is noise coming in, but then it's again acceptable. This is not a really high-end device. It's a budget smartphone. It's priced 9,999. So for this price range, this is pretty decent low light photography. So this camera does capture a pretty good amount of detailing, and there is a flash included, and the flash is pretty powerful as well and does work well if you're taking photos in complete darkness. It does have the ability to take pretty decent captures. So since this is a budget smartphone, we would say this phone does have really decent capabilities with the low light. Now this phone also can record videos in 1080p. So here is a video sample. So again, the video sample looks really good. There is a good amount of detailing, and even the sharpness level and color quality looks really good. It's the same like what you saw in the photos. So overall this phone is really good below price point of rupees 10k. So overall we would say that there is slightly better image processing in the 4G variant than the 3G variant, but more or less when you look the photos in daylight, you can't really identify, but still there is a slight difference between the camera performance of the 4G and the 3G variant. So that was a detailed camera review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4G variant. So this is one of the best cameras available below price point of rupees 10k, and if you're looking for a smartphone with great camera at a budget or affordable pricing, then look no further. The Redmi Note 4G variant is really worth the buy if you're looking for a camera smartphone. So that was a detailed review of the camera on the Xiaomi Redmi Note. Hope you liked this video. If you have any specific questions, just drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your queries. If you like this video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. And thanks for watching this video.